Hello and welcome back to ticker symbol INY Invest in Yourself YouTube channel. I just want to thank you beautiful humans out there for tuning in and being with me here today. So let's take a look at my watch list for the week currently. But first let's talk a little bit about what the SPY did on Friday. So we drew this trend line in a couple videos ago, and we have broken under it, and we have a pretty big upper shadow touching it and going back down, and we closed at 282.79. So right now this is not looking in the strongest position to continue this bullish uptrend. I'm gonna have to see some kind of gap up on Monday back over this trend line if I'm gonna be playing it bullish at all. But for as of right now, I'm mainly gonna be looking most likely for some bearish trades on the SPY. But let's see, let's look at it again on the daily. We do have two red candles in a row, so some selling coming in, but I think we could definitely go lower, much lower. But really, for me to be fully convinced of a fast breakdown, I'm going to want to see a break of this 274. If we see a break of there, we could be heading down pretty quick. So that is a level I'm going to really be keeping an eye out on. But other than that, let's take a look at Square. Square is one I've been watching for a little bit. We got like this little upper trend going. We were in a little channel here for about 2 weeks or so, but now we broke over it and came quickly back in it. So I'm gonna be watching this one. I'm still bullish on it as long as we're staying above this trend here. If I could get some shares down here, get some calls or something, and play it bullish, that would be nice. So that's kind of my plan on that right now until I see some kind of break of the trend line or a break of this level here at 56. And then what else we got? We got AMD. AMD is an interesting one because we have had 5 days straight of selling off. And as you can see, we are at a pretty good support resistance line. So I do like this one's chances of, maybe doing a little something like that, a little bounce off of here, maybe a little sideways action, but then continuing a little higher. I do see that happening, so I think right now would be a good time to really be picking up some shares of AMD. That's what I'm going to be looking to do this week. Then we got Mist. This is a new one for me. They were in a pretty long distribution phase here in the $24 to $15 range until it recently gapped down and got as low as $1.69. But now we're at $3.97. So as you can tell, this move, even though it's lost so much, this short little move here was 64%, and at its highs, let's see, I mean, even if from right here, really 70% up to 90%. So I imagine there's going to be some selling, some profit taking, even though it did clear all of the shorts down here. So this gap is something I'm going to be looking to potentially playing, because that would be a sick one to catch, no doubt. But I'm definitely going to be careful on it because I could see some selling just because of how much it is up in the last few days. So I'm just going to keep an eye out on that one and look to maybe play some kind of bullish gap fill here. And then we got Boeing. I am definitely bearish on Boeing overall right now. And we do have this descending triangle still going on. It's it's just kind of toying with it. I would love to see a break of this, and then I really think we'd at least retest here at 89. So I'm gonna be watching this one closely to see if we maybe break down lower, and I'll be snagging some puts and riding it down. That's really how I'm looking at playing Boeing. I'm not gonna be playing it bullish anytime soon. And then we got UCO. UCO, I don't really plan on day trading or swing trading or anything like that, but I mean, I think I'm going to start picking up some shares slowly but surely right now, just because, I mean, it's oil. We need oil. And it is rock bottom dirt cheap right now. And that is where people can make some money. When others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. And right now, oil is textbook definition of that. The sell-off has been absolutely insane. So I think if I could just snag some shares of these here and there and just forget about it for a year or two, we could be making some very good returns on UCO. So just an idea to throw out there for anybody that's more long term. I think this is a really good opportunity right now to just start picking up some shares. We're at 1392 right now. Obviously, who knows how low we could go, but that's why I'm not gonna load up right now. I'm just gonna slowly accumulate, and if it flies up, oh well, at least I have some. But if not, I'll keep snagging it as it gets cheaper and cheaper. So yeah, that's my video this week. Thank you guys for being here and tuning in. If you want me to review anything else, look at anything else, please hit me up in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button.